Hey guys, John here with another video. Today I'll be discussing the maintenance that I do on my Philips Carina 1200, the weekly maintenance that I do, monthly maintenance, and maintenance every 500 or so cups. So the weekly maintenance that I do obviously is this, so I empty this out and rinse it and whatnot, and also the mechanism that's in here. I take it out and I rinse it with warm water and let it air dry. So that's the basic maintenance that you need to do on the machine weekly. And also you clean the inside of the where the mechanism sits. You just wipe it down with a rag. And okay, so that's weekly maintenance. Monthly maintenance, I will dishwash this once a month, minus, if I pull this out, minus this plate here. This is not dishwashable. That's the only piece that's not dishwashable. I'll also dishwash these two pieces right here monthly. Also, monthly maintenance that I do is I put in these coffee oil remover tablets. This is once a month. I do it the first Saturday of every month. The maintenance that I do is going to be Saturday. So Saturday is the day that I choose to maintain this machine, right? So basically you take one of these tablets, you drop it into this hopper right here, close it, you hit coffee, right? You want it to be maximum cups or capacity, and then you hold on to the bean icon so that you can get the hopper icon to light up, right? Put a measuring cup down here, below this a little bit, and then you want to brew half a cup, basically. So it's going to brew 8 ounces, right? So the 3 lights equals 8 ounces. Once it brews half a cup, you either unplug it or turn off the switch. So I have mine connected to a switch, so I just turn off the switch at half a cup, right? Leave the measuring cup there, turn it on, it's going to cycle. You leave it for 15 minutes turned off, and what that's going to do is you're going to let the tablet right to activate. So the tablet's just going to break down all the oils in this inside the machine, which is great. This really does an amazing job cleaning the machine, right? So after 15 minutes, turn it back on. It's going to cycle some water, and then you want to again hit coffee, turn on the hopper, and you want to brew this I do it twice at least. Instruction says do it once. I believe it says do it once. I do it 2 to 3 times because I really want to wash out everything that's in there. I don't want to drink chemicals with my coffee, right? So again, put in the tablet into the hopper, hit coffee, hold down the bean symbol, make sure you have 3 lights here by the cup, brew half a cup. Once it hits half a cup, turn it off by unplugging it or turning a switch if you have yours connected to a power strip. Leave it for 15 minutes, turn it back on, let the water cycle, hit coffee again. Make sure you're on the hopper, because if you don't hit the hopper button, it's gonna grind some coffee and you're gonna brew a cup of coffee. You don't want to waste beans. Hit the hopper button. Make sure you have maximum capacity, and I do this twice. I brew it twice. Okay. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh, why don't you just hit ×2? It doesn't work. The ×2 button does not work with the hopper button, right? Alright, so I do that monthly. Now, I also wash, like I said, I dishwash these pieces here monthly as well. Maintenance that you're supposed to do every 500 or so cups is to lubricate the mechanism inside, and I'll show you what parts need to be lubricated. And also 500 or so cups, you need to replace the AquaClean water filter. Now I use filtered water, so I don't really think I need to use it, but I use it anyways for peace of mind, because this is an expensive machine and I in no ways want to ruin the machine. So let me pull out the reservoir and pull the machine up a little bit. Sorry guys. Okay. Alright, let me pull out the mechanism so I can show you where I lubricate. There we go. Okay. So I just did this. Of course, I used the machine today, so it's dirty. I rinse it once a week. So you put lubricant. Right, this little bottle of lubricant comes with the machine. right? So you're supposed to put some around this piece here. You put it around it, and then from the other side here, right, you put some up and down inside here and here, okay? And then also on this the rest of that shaft. And then if I flip it to this side, from top to bottom along, let me put it down a little bit, inside this groove inside here, from top to bottom, alright, and on both sides, top to bottom. Now what I did with mine was I hit it with a degreaser to clean it up a bit because it was really dirty with coffee. The coffee was sticking to the lubricant and whatnot, so I cleaned it up a little bit. I didn't remove 100% of the existing lubricant, but I removed, you know, the dirty surface basically. So I cleaned it up. It doesn't say anywhere in the instructions to do that. I did it anyways. I rinsed it really well. I let it air dry for 3 hours, and then I put the lubricant. Again, I put lubricant from here to here on both sides. You guys can see where the lubricant is right now. And then I put lubricant on this piece over here around it. And then if I flip it this way, if I flip it this way, here we go. If I flip it this way, I put lubricant along the shaft here and inside here and here. Okay, so that's basically the 500 cup, or let's say 6 months maintenance that I do on the machine. Lubricating the mechanism, cleaning and lubricating it, and replacing the filter. I think after 5,000 cups, you would have to see, it says here, up to 5,000 cups without descaling if you use this. Now, if you're using tap water, I'm using filtered water, so it should be fine. I probably should not need to, should not have to descale the machine at all. Okay, guys. Well, if you have any questions about, you know, how I do specific types of maintenance on the machine, or any other questions, maybe I might have missed something, which I don't think I missed anything, but if I did miss anything, if you have any questions, please post them down in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you later.